Good morning guys, welcome back to the vlog. I haven't vlogged in a long time, like 2 or 3 weeks, and for me that feels like forever because normally I at least vlog once a week. So yeah, it's just been a bit of a weird time. Like my motivation hasn't been there and haven't been trying to force it like I would normally do, and there's just a lot going on in the world, isn't it? And it's like everything's a bit heavy, and also things going on in my personal life as well. I've just finished shooting content, so my room is really messy, but I am like feeling back in that work mode. Like I want to make vlogs, I want to make videos. Instagram have introduced Reels, which is similar to TikTok, and that has kind of like sparked my motivation. And there's been a lot of beauty products that I've received that I really want to test out, so that's motivating me as well. So overall it's been really slow, but I feel like I'm getting back on top of it. But it is such a weird time right now. I feel like lockdown isn't lockdown anymore. Everyone's just doing whatever they want, which kind of terrifies me. I do go out and I do eat out and stuff like that, but I'm always really cautious and I'm really careful. But yeah, it's quite scary. People only wear masks when they go into shops, and then on the streets when they're outdoors they don't. So it is kind of like yeah. And also Aiden starts school in September, which also terrifies me, because not only has he not been to nursery for a while, but also because the whole COVID situation. I'm not sure what's going to happen with him. He hasn't had any kind of like interaction with children for half a year maybe, so that's quite scary. And also I've just been trying to spend more time with him, so we've been going to see friends, hanging out with my friends' kids more, now that we're allowed to just go outdoors and hang out. It's nice that Aiden's getting some interaction with other kids. So yeah, hopefully. I still need to buy his uniform. I've got his shoes, I've got his trousers, polo tops I can get anytime when I go to the supermarket. I need to get his school jumper with the logo on, and then I'm done. He's only going to reception, so there's no like PE kit or anything like that, so it's quite straightforward and quite simple. Yeah, my hair is looking very brassy, but I'm actually getting my hair done in September. The lady that I'm going to was fully booked and I only could do weekends, so September it is. And also my bridal work is starting to pick up again. I have quite a few jobs in September, so hopefully going forward it's going to be a bit better, because it literally just completely shut down during COVID. And yeah, so that's a little update. Yeah, how are you guys feeling, and what's COVID like in your country or where you're from? Let me know, because I do try to keep up with the news, but at the same time I don't watch too much news, because I find news can be quite depressing, because it's always negative things that are happening in the world. I know it's important to be on top of what's happening in the world, but at the same time when you watch the news too much, it can kind of make you feel depressed. Like it makes you question the world that you live in and question people. And yeah, that's probably why I've been feeling like this. It's because of like COVID and people, and yeah, don't know. But today I've just finished doing some work, so I'm going to edit that now and then send it off, reply to some emails, go buy Aiden's school jumper, go do a food shop. Out of toilet paper. I'm on my last roll, so that's quite dangerous. And yeah, just casual day. So I did get new bedside tables. I am absolutely in love, and then I've got the same on the other side as well. I just absolutely love these. I was looking for black bedside tables for the longest time and I couldn't find anything that was affordable. Everything that I looked at was like £200 for one, and I really didn't fancy paying £400 for bedside tables. Then I found this one. This came in new at Dunelm, and I got an email actually, and it was on the newsletter, so I was like, oh my god, that's so pretty. So I got 2 of these. They were £69 each, which I think is really affordable and reasonable. So that means my old bedside table is gonna go to another home. I put it up for sale, so I'm just waiting for someone to buy it and then pick it up. I just used this table to film a Instagram reels on Instagram. Also Instagram reels, I have been doing so much more over there, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram, because I do like little day vlogs as well. I've really been enjoying doing those. Also, the other day I went to Primark quickly. I have a set of Mickey Mouse PJs, but they're really old now and I wanted to replace them, and I thought of going in and getting something else, but then I saw another pair of Mickey Mouse PJs and they were so cute. These were £9. As you can tell, I am very mature for my age. I just love these so much because they're so comfy and they're really lightweight as well, so you don't get too hot or too cold. So yeah, £9. And then of course cotton pads. Primark cotton pads are the one. And then I got one of these 2-in-1 USB charging cables for my car, so I can charge my phone. I'm not sure if this is going to blow up. I'm always really scared of inexpensive cables in case they actually like blow up because they're not legit. But this was £4, so I'm just going to give this one a try. And then I also got some vest tops. These were £1.80 each, so I just got 2 black vest tops. I like to put these underneath sweaters and jumpers or even cardigans, especially now that autumn's coming. I always get these and then just wear it as a basic underneath. And then a pair of leggings, because Primark leggings, you can't go wrong. I don't take care of my leggings. Like, a lot of my leggings have bleach all over them from when I'm cleaning, or kind of like paint when I was painting. Like, I do not take care of my leggings at all, so I always go for inexpensive leggings. These are £2.50. Honestly, you can't go wrong with £2.50 leggings from Primark. And then I also went to Superdrug and I just saw these masks on offer, so I just bought 2. One is a Nip and Fab glycolic bubble mask, and then one is a Nip and Fab glycolic fix exfoliating mask. I feel like Nip and Fab is a very underrated skincare brand. I've used their glycolic pads before and honestly they work amazing. Yeah, I would highly recommend. That's what I'm wearing today, really casual, running errands kind of thing. Just need to go to the supermarket and then go to the post office. Have my Topshop biker boots on because it's quite chilly today and it's meant to rain later. I have leggings on, and then I have this oversized cardigan which I got last year from Zara. I really like this. And then just my Louis Vuitton bag, and then I have a little cropped black top inside. So really casual and comfortable, and yeah, I really miss dressing like this. Although I do love summer, I just love autumn fashion a lot more because of like cardigans and layering. And as you can see, my wardrobe is getting really scratched because it's matte black, so it just scratches really easily, and it's got like big scratches all along there as well. I'm going to tidy my room when I come back. I just want to get out and about and get things done and sorted so I can come home. And then yeah, I'm hungry as well, so I need to go get some food. So yeah, simple casual outfit. Peace. Just got back into the car. It is quite a lot when you're wearing a mask for a long time, but obviously better safe than sorry. And yeah, so I just went to pick up Aiden's school shoes. Basically I bought some last week, but then I've also bought the size up as well. So I just picked those up, and what I'm going to do is get him to try them on at home so that he can wear both of them and I can compare in my own time. The school shoe shops are so busy right now that it's better just to try them on at home. And then whilst I was there, I thought I might as well get lunch. I had a panini and a coffee, which was nice. They're doing the eat out to help out thing, so it was half price. It cost me like £3 for a coffee. What's my hair doing? It cost me £3 for a panini and a coffee. That is hella cheap. Like, I've never had coffee and panini so cheap before, and because I was already out, I did a quick stop to CANT to pick up a t-shirt. So I've been wanting a plain stripy t-shirt for a while, and I went for a green one because I feel like green is quite my colour. Every time I wear green, somebody compliments me and says that it's like a really nice colour on me, and I don't really wear too much colour, but I thought green is a nice colour and it goes with a lot of my things that I already have in my wardrobe. So I picked up a basic CANT t-shirt. These are such good quality. I already have a black one, a white one and a grey one, but this is my first stripy one, and these are £15 each. Good morning guys. As you can see, I have two kids in my car. I've just come to visit my friend, and this is my friend's son. She's just gone to get her car seat so we can go together in one car. And here's my friend coming with the car seat.
Mommy!
We've just sat down for some afternoon tea and cake.
Hi guys!
Such a fur.
Hi Daddy!
Oh, who's that?
Guys!
Guy. Yeah, we've just sat down for coffee, tea and cake. My friends just took her kids to the toilet. It's really nice because it's 50% off, so it was meant to be £32, but we got it for £16, which is such a good deal because, let me flip you guys around. We have a lot of cake and a lot of this is like the worst tea cake that I've ever had in my life. It literally is like a rock, but because it's really busy here and we've got it for half price, I don't want to complain. I don't want to be like the annoying customer who never gives them a break because they look really overstaffed. I mean understaffed, like they look overworked, so I don't want to complain. But yeah, the rest of it was like rock hard. But yeah, so for the price, £16, we got all of this. That's a pretty good deal if you ask me. Good morning guys. It's not actually morning, it's like 1 AM. I just realised that I didn't finish yesterday's vlog. It was really busy yesterday. I didn't have a chance to get my camera out really. What's wrong, darling? She's not. It's here, you get it. Yeah, we've just been food shopping and it's a really chilled morning. I'm just like running errands and getting things done. I haven't even brushed my hair. Who else goes out the house without brushing their hair? Like honestly, some days when I'm just going to the supermarket, I actually don't care. So yeah, so But I just wanted to finish the vlog off properly here and say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.